is Manpreet and today's video is on important questions and programs for any technical interview. So I must tell you that I myself is a BCA student and I'm pursuing my 6th semester of BCA and I've sat for number of companies so according to that I have jotted down important technical questions which they ask in the technical interview. Any of the company which asks for a technical interview like TCS, Wipro, Infosys takes technical interview and Daffodil takes technical interview, SAP takes technical interview. So according to that I have taken some important programs you should prepare. So first of all I should tell you that it was a requested video. I'm really sorry I was unable to put that at that time, so now it's there. So there's an app named as All C Programs on your Play Store. So you can get that app from here. In that app you are going to get all the solutions of all the programs I'm telling you. So the first most important is prime number with recursion and in simple with function. Another is with factorial. Fine. Factorial should be with simple method also, with function also, and with recursion also. Another is patterns on the base of numbers and the symbols, alphabets. The most important pattern for numbers is 0 and 1. So you must prepare that it is on the basis of even and odd. Another is Armstrong number, is that number is Armstrong or not. Another is palindrome, and another is reversing the string or the number. So in the reversing a number or a string, it is very important in most of the companies. If I see in every company, if the second question I was given, it was on the basis of reversing. And even in Daffodil, which is considered, I consider it as one of the most difficult technical interview companies, so they also ask the same question of reversing a string, so you must go well with it. Another is pattern matching. In pattern matching, for example, you are going to given statement like I am happy today as the weather is wonderful. So you have to find out wonderful and the index of that. So here pattern matching is going to work. So you have to do this program also because it was in the first round of Daffodil. So you must go well with pattern matching, and I'm telling you, if you go good with pattern matching, all of your concepts of strings and doing programs of C, they are going to build up. Fine. Another, it comes string. So there are number of programs which are based on string, reversing a string, copying a string, and not only with built-in functions, but you have to do it by making your own functions. So go well with strings. There is a complete portion of strings in your that app, so must go well with each and every program you are doing. Another is pointers. This is something very important because you must be good with pointers, concepts and programs. In TCS I was asked to reverse a string using pointers, by using simple method and using inbuilt function. For inbuilt string function, it is strrev. So it was inbuilt, so you have to create it yourself also, inbuilt also, and with pointers also. So go well with your pointers also. So this was only the important part which I got in all those, because if you are going to prepare this, it would be sufficient for you if you are preparing for any of the technical interview for your BCA. Fine. And after that, if I tell you, if you want to crack your technical interview well, must go with the project. I am definitely going to share a video on the projects you can make for your BCA, because I think it is just because of projects you get an extra advantage over it. For example, when we went for TCS interview, there were number of people. That day 180 people gave the interview, and my college students, we were about 14 students from our college, and 14 all people had a laptop in their hand. And everyone, the sitting 180 people, they got scared because we were having that laptop. And seriously telling, out of 14, 12 of them were selected at that moment only, means in that only, and even the 2 left, they were left because of their communication skill, but they got another call from TCS because they had the great technical and they have made a project with them, so they were called again. So must go with a project, don't go barehanded. So I would suggest you, because I'm going to create a video on that also, so you can find what type of projects and what type of languages you can learn, so that you could have that extra advantage over all other people who are coming from other colleges and who don't have any project with them. So all the very best. And one thing I must tell you, this is a bumper advice: if you're going to have a project, interviewers are going to ask less questions from your syllabi. Seriously telling, if you're not very well with your C++ or Java or HTML or anything, if you're not good with which is the part of your syllabi, and if you're having a project, they are definitely going to focus on your project. So if you want to get safe from all this syllabus part, so make a project. Fine. So till that, all the very best. Must prepare well with your all this part and must secure a job.